guys, so what you're about to witness right now is Daddy cooking baby Zeke's meat for the week. So we're gonna go in the fridge, and we have, this week I bought him a tube of ground beef, so he's gonna get a little bit of that in his kibble. But this is his regular diet right here. It's the ground lamb, 1 pound of ground lamb. I boil it, get all the fat out of it, and then I drain it. So we're going to put this in the pot and the beef in the pot and boil it, get all the fat out of it, and then we're going to portion it up into single Ziploc baggies like this. And then when it's time for him to eat, he'll get a little bit of meat in his kibble with his veggies that go in it. There goes the lamb. Here's the beef right here. Now what you're watching me do, I do this every week, but we don't do this every week. We do this like once a month. He usually just gets the lamb and the kibble. So I'm going to pause the video here, let this cook, and then I'll resume whenever I'm ready to drain it. Alright, so just where we at, we boiling his meat. We got it in the pots. Got the lamb right here. And we got the beef right here. Getting it well done, then we're going to put it in a strainer, strain it all out. So I'll put that in the sandwich bag and that in the sandwich bag. Put it in the fridge right here where it goes. Right, see, this is his meat right here. He's almost out. So he'll get this for dinner. That'll be his last portion. And then I'll portion this up and get it ready for the week. Alright guys, so now we're about to strain his meat. I'm going to start with the lamb meat. Strain that first, dump it into the strainer, get it all out, run a little cold water on it, and strain all the fat out of it. Alright, put this on a plate and get the beef out. Alright, lamb meat's done. Now we're straining out the beef. Got the beef in here. Same thing, running under the water. Get fat out of it. That in the bag. Alright guys, so I got his beef right here, lamb right here, and now it goes in the fridge. That's his lamb meat, and that's his beef. That's his spot in the fridge. You guys like what you see, feed your dog the same thing. It's a very good diet.